I guess here 6 plus 18 is 24 divided by 3 times 2 power 2. Here 24 divided by 3 is 8 times 2 power 2. Here 8 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here 8 times 4 is 32 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 32 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the higher priority is bracket. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. We have exponent here, so we have to do this 2 power 2 before this operations. So 6 plus 18 divided by 3 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 18 divided by 3. So we have to do this 18 divided by 3 before this addition and multiplication. So 6 plus 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 6 plus 6 times 4 is 24. Here 6 plus 24 is 30 is the correct answer.